Hello, hello, hello. Happy Thursday. Hope everybody had a great week. I got these in yesterday. They was a Mother's Day gift from my daughter. Um, we got these from Finish Line. Well, she did anyway. Online, not in the store because they didn't have them in the store. This is what we got here. So let me bring you the shoes as I took them out the box. This is going to be just basically like a quick video. So here they go. These are the Daybreaks N354. They have them, I think, in like 4 colors. I didn't even know that they was putting out a new Daybreak until my girl Renee um put me on. She knows I love the Daybreaks, and yeah, this is what I said I wanted for a Mother's Day gift from my daughter. She said she'd go ahead and do it. So you come with this tag right here. I can't remember all the colors that they have. I know they got out 2 colors now, and I think 2 more are supposed to be coming out at another time. This is the tongue. These are the cheap laces that they gave with them. Y'all know I had to go on with the lace swap on these. You got the Nike stitched. These are, as you can see, they're mesh. The suede on these is really nice. Green stitching, white midsole, and you got that Daybreak bottom on it. Green in the back with the N354. Nice. I don't know what kind of material this is. I don't feel like it's suede. It feel like some type of hard material on here. On this side is an orange. This is an orange color, or like yeah, like an orange rust type. Is the same color as the numbers right here. On the stitching, this is gray right here, and then black. Everything is black. You got the 2 nodules. I want to say on my other Daybreaks, they gave decent shoelaces. I don't know why they did you like that on these shoelaces. This is what it looks like in the inside. You got the little tag in here. You got like the off-white type style unfinished tongue. This on the back. And I want to say the price was right. They was $90. I think they could have went for $75. It ain't much to the shoe. All it is mesh. I do want to say, unless you put on a black sock or if you got a light foot like mine, you can see. See that? So this is the Daybreak. Y'all know I had to come with that lace swap. I was like, those shoelaces is not gonna cut it. So I think the green looked real dope in the shoe. The other green is in my Yeezy 500. So I just got to take it out and throw this one in there because I had one green, one blue to see how I like it. And y'all know I'm lazy. I didn't feel like taking one out over the other, so I just wore them different. But I'm going to throw this one in the Yeezy and take the other green out. And if y'all want to know where I get my lace from, I do have lace swap videos. But Lace Lab, quick shipping, great company. Have not had an issue with them over the laces that I have bought. I've bought numerous laces from them and have had no issues. And they are the cost is good. They don't cost much. So that's the new Nike Daybreak N354 that's out. They have 2 colors, this color and another color. They have these on Sneakers app and Finish Line, and they're $90. I don't know if I said that. I think, as I said before, 75 could have sufficed. I mean, they gave you some cheap laces. It ain't nothing to it but mesh. They got some suede on here, but You know, it's dope. It's dope. I liked them. I was pleased. I was pleased. I don't know when I'm gonna rock my new kicks. I may just put everything on ice because I ain't going nowhere. I don't really go nowhere. With this COVID-19, ain't nowhere to go. So, there you have it. Everybody have a happy Friday. Enjoy your weekend. And until next time, peace.